Let's print large photos on 7-Eleven Japan. First, find this machine corner. Select the language. And select the print photo. Yes, this one. And select this photograph, print. Yes, this one. And agree the terms and condition. As usual, you can print of two types, Wi-Fi and media. And download this 7-Eleven multi-copy app and follow the instruction as in the video. Select the photograph, print in the mobile app, and select the size of photo you want to print it. And select the photo you want to print as in the video, and create the QR code of this photo, your selected photo. Here you get the QR code and scan it in this place and press next. Yes, scan here. After scanning, press the start sending in mobile phone and join the Wi-Fi of 7-Eleven. Be patient, it takes time. Your file is sending. Once the machine received, your mobile phone work is over, and put it the coins displayed, and you can adjust or edit the image. Yes, like this, and save it and start the printing. Here you go. Printing is in progress and the photo comes head down at this place. Yes, here you go. This is your photo. Let me make you clear that this is the largest size of the photo paper print. You can put this photo in a frame also. This sorts of frame also. This sorts of frame, and keep like this.